everyone, welcome or welcome back to our channel, and this is Shilpa. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing and also giving this video a big thumbs up. So today we are going to talk about some essential things which I bought in my hostel. The funny thing is every month I am buying this or the other thing. There is no space in my hostel right now, but still I won't stop it. So today we are going to see organizers, bags and much more. So let me show you what and all are there. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started. The one thing which I forgot to take from my home is my earrings, my jewelries and also the organizers for that, because as you know I couldn't carry everything. If you have seen the moving vlog, you might have seen that. So I bought this organizer. I am buying this for the second time. This one I have in my home as well. This is a earring jewelry organizer. So basically there are these chips. You can actually open it and then you can do the division with these chips over here. You can actually place it in each row and adjust whatever size you want, and even you can hang it on the almirah or whatever you have. There is a hook as well, so you can easily hang it and you can see what all are there in the pura bandar. So this is what the first thing is. This costed me around 200 or something, but this is actually worth it because this gives a real proper eye for you to pick up what you want on the right time, and also make sure that your jewelries are sitting on a proper place rather than going here and there and losing their quality, and even sometimes the stone will be also losing, so you can prevent that. By the way, Amazon is having their spring summer sale going on. You can actually check out things over there and much more variety, up to 80% off on a lot of products. You can check it out. I'll give all the links down below in the description box. Do not forget to check out. Next thing, I bought this white color shoe, I think around 4 months back, and I forgot to bring that over in Mumbai. Then when I went for my graduation, I took the shoe and came. My father actually got it for me, but the problem was once I used it for the first time, it got totally like dirty, and wherever it is sitting it will just get dirty without any reason. So I wanted to buy something to clean that, so I can make sure that the durability is much more. Then I searched for a lot of things on Amazon. I saw wipes, I saw brush, I saw this and that and all those things. Then I found this one. This is the Helios shoe cleaner, sports and sneakers care kit. Then there is a foaming cleanser and along with a brush. I'll show you. This is a foaming cleanser and this is the brush which comes with. Good quality thing, and it really works. This works very well. I won't tell you that it makes that sparkly white as you bought, but it will make sure that the dirt is completely off within seconds. It just took me like very little quantity to clear my shoes fully. It was like actually dirty. It was not very dirty, but it was dirty. It costed me for around 200 something. Everything is under 500 rupees in this haul, mostly. Yeah. So this particular product I am buying for the, I don't know how many time. From college I used to buy this. This is the Sophie antibacterial kit. Not kit actually, this is I think this contains 40-50 pads in this. This is very useful. This is in the XL size. If you buy this once, it will go aram say for around 2 or 3 period cycle. If you properly have like proper flow and everything, it will really work for you. And this doesn't give me any itching or anything. This works for me very well. I tried using a menstrual cup. It didn't work out for me. I couldn't do that. It was a task, so I just left it out. I'm still using pads. So this is a really good purchase if you are a girl, if you are staying in hostel. Even at home you can actually give this a go. The thing is, when I was in my home, my mama, my sister, me, everybody get periods, right? So the thing is, everyone wants it on a much larger quantity. So I buy this and keep. It will last you for around 2 months if 3 people are using it. But if you are only using it, it will last for around 4 months and all. For me at least. So this is the next one. This came for around 221 somewhere. So I'll give all the links down below. You can check it out. One is a bag. So I was seeing this particular bag from Versace. I really love that bag, but I don't have the budget like 1 lakh, 3 lakh to buy that particular bag. Oh my god, it's too expensive. But I still wanted something. But still I wanted something under 1000 rupees. So I decided to go for this one. This is not exact dupe or anything, but this works very wonderfully. This is a small sling bag with the money, what it is called, coin pouch. So this is detachable and comes in a really not pink but mauve shade, and this has a good quality. This works pretty well. The quality is actually really nice. I got this for around 500 or something, and this is pretty good. If you want to check out a good sling bag from Amazon, you can check it out. By the way, there are a lot of good collections of handbags on Amazon. I have carted a lot of things. Eventually I'll be buying a lot. Problem, as I told you, is I don't have space in my wardrobe. Nothing is actually that. This is a small almirah which is placed over here for one person, and for me, because I have a lot of things, like I buy, I get PR, I get this and that and all, so I don't have much space to keep things, so I don't know what to do. So the last and final one is again a bag. This is a backpack from the brand, I think Adidas, no, not Adidas, sorry, Adisa. Okay, Adisa. So this is the backpack. Why I got this is because I go to my auntie's place, my friend's place here and there. So I used to use my laptop bag from office. It doesn't hold a lot of things, so I wanted some proper things so that I can carry my things. It contains a laptop area. Then there is like 1, 2, 3 slots, like 3 big slots, one big slot and the 2 other one is like on almost the same size. Front में there is another zipper. It came for around 500 or something. Very good quality, by the way. Holds thing very pretty good, and I think this is waterproof. A very nice backpack if you want to buy for your college, for a school, all those things. You can easily get this. This is affordable at the same time of a good quality material, and I really like this, and I have used it for around twice or thrice by now, and I can really guarantee you that it will hold a lot of things. It's not what you see right now. It can hold a lot of things. So you can check it out over there. All the links will be given down below in the description box. Again, I'm telling you. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, make sure to share this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to follow me on Unfollow Shilpa on Instagram. You will be getting much more updates over there. And stay tuned. I'll be back with much more other videos. So till then, this is me Shilpa signing off, and bye bye. Take care.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.